What are you shooting for?
OnlyFans.
OnlyFans?
Yeah.
You make porn, yeah?
I wouldn't call it porn, it's more like art.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Right guys, we are in central Chicago by one of the monuments called The Bean. The nickname called The Bean. And that's where we're going to give out a free haircut. So we're just walking up now. So that is The Bean right there. Excuse me bro.
Free trim.
Free haircut.
Oh, are you on TikTok?
Yeah.
I've seen people do this shit. I just got a haircut.
Yeah, no stress bro. Cool.
Appreciate
nice
that
one,
though.
Yeah? We're going to have lots of nose today people. I need a trim. On the sides and back, yeah?
In the bag and just
easy peasy, man. Tell me, man, what do you want to do with your hair?
like a good fade on the sides, and then usually do like a 1 to 2.
Yeah.
Just a trim up top.
Do you want a skin fade, like a 0-0, or you just want a number 1 on the side?
Yeah, probably 1.
1, cool. I got you, man. How you doing under that gown?
Oh, it's great. Pretty warm. I'm from the south, so I'm used to the heat. But they talk me into it.
They talk you into it. It's going to be a good decision. You think so? You made a bad mistake.
Oh man.
So I feel like you look like you're in the army.
No.
Not a military man.
I'm a police officer.
You're a police officer. Okay, so you're in the force of some kind, right? What police officer are you?
I am
Just a local town police officer?
Yeah, Kansas City. So that's it.
Now I feel like if I mess his hair up, he's going to arrest me. So the first one is, what's been your greatest, my brain's gone blank, oh my god. No, I'm joking. What's been your greatest achievement in life so far?
I would have to say moving, like getting away from Mississippi. Like I think that's like big. Like where I come from, I ain't made it yet, but I'm out.
What's been the hardest thing? Just getting out, finding different friends?
The hard thing about it, you just miss back home.
Yeah.
Get homesick sometimes, but once I go back after like a week, I be like, oh, I already got this country every time.
Yeah, I feel you.
Honestly, man, giving my life over to the Lord, Jesus Christ.
Yep.
That was 8 years ago now when I did that.
What was the moment when you decided? Was there something that happened in your life in particular where you were like, you searched for someone?
Well, you know what? I grew up in church.
Yep.
And I've always said that I was a Christian. You know, I wore a cross necklace, so I like most people, I said I was a Christian, but I didn't live it, man. I was a bad dude, man.
Yeah.
I was a bad dude and wasn't trustworthy. Just treated people very poorly. And then just got confronted with the reality of my sin, and just knew I wanted to change, and it kind of came in an instant where
it's like a definitive moment, right?
Yeah, like a definitive moment.
Sure, I get that.
Since then, just growing my relationship with him, my walk with him, and it's been an adventure. And
I feel like you become a better person since it.
Yeah, for sure, dude.
That's awesome.
For sure.
And what would you say has been your greatest challenge in life? Something that you faced which has been like quite difficult?
I don't really got no difficult life, man.
No difficult?
It's pretty sweet.
What's been the best thing that you've experienced so far? You haven't had a difficult life.
When my daughter was born.
Your daughter, yeah?
Yeah.
And how old's your daughter?
4.
Is that like the best thing that could have happened to you?
Yeah. Got kids, man?
Have I got kids? I can barely look after myself, let alone a f***ing child. Close your eyes. That's all?
Yeah. Should there water in there?
Yeah.
I don't know. That's water.
It's not water.
My greatest challenge, probably being a dad, man.
Being a dad?
Well, it's like every step in life, you think you've had you're in your biggest challenge, and so like when I got married, figuring out how to put myself aside and be a husband was the biggest challenge, and then now it's like to a whole new level trying to be a dad. You know, like laying yourself down, like all your selfish wants and desires, laying them down to be a dad.
And you gotta sacrifice a lot.
You gotta sacrifice a lot. Time, sleep, opportunities.
The whole shebang.
The whole shebang.
It'll be worth the sweatiness. If you had a 15-year-old version of yourself, what advice would you love to give that person?
Any advice I can get to a younger version of myself? Stay in school, kids.
Stay in school, kids.
It's hard out here, man.
Do you feel like you should have stayed in school?
Sometimes. I feel like it would have made it easier, like work-wise.
Is that what you would tell your 15-year-old self to stay in school? Work hard, don't do dumb shit.
Most definitely.
Honestly, man, I probably sit myself down because at that age, that's when I was kind of getting into, I guess, rough crowd, if you will.
Sure, we've all been there.
And didn't make me a very good person. And so I'd probably sit myself down and have a stern talking to. I'd probably tell him about how good the Lord is, man, and how much He's changed my life later on down, you know, and that if I could do that as an early teenager and skip some of the trauma that I would have caused other people and myself, then I think that maybe it would have been a little better off. But yeah, I don't know, man. Part of me is also like every moment leading up to this moment, sitting in this chair has had a purpose.
Yeah, you get to meet someone, talk to them.
Even kind of the bad things, kind of the hurt that I may have caused people.
Yeah.
The hurt that I caused myself kind of led me still to this point. And,
You might not have been sitting in this chair with me talking to me about your story, right?
Exactly.
Powdered by Slick Gorilla.
We about to go ride bikes. Alright.
Just gives you a hair texture, that's all. It makes it look more full instead of flat. Slick Gorilla. So it's got texture in it now, so when you go like this, it don't look so flat.
I can't complain, man.
And then your missus can take a picture of the back.
Yeah, I trust you, man.
It's clean, man. Ready to see your hair, yeah?
Yeah, that's it. Oh yeah.
So there's a lot of texture in it now, the way I've styled it. Once your hair dries in it, it will also make it much more springy and it gives you much more texture. So you know before it looked very flat, but when you use like a paste like that, put a little bit when your hair's wet, rub it in, then dry it, and then all you have to do is grab your hands like this, and then it will give you a sense of more lifting and more texture.
Sweet.
Mate, you can be a model, so handsome. Brother, you're all done, man.
You might got another climb, man.
After.
I gotta tip you or something, man.
No. I don't want your money. Keep it.
don't want no
Just
tips.
you can follow me on socials. That's it, man. That's all you gotta do.
Thank you, man.
No.
My hands are a bit sticky.
Good, Joe.
Thank you so much for everything. No, anytime, man. Thank you for taking the time to come and speak to me. Yeah, I appreciate it. Look at the hair, man. It looks so good. Yeah? It looks good. As soon as it dries, yeah, a little pose. You've got to pose for the camera. Thank you, man.
It's great meeting you, bro.
Yeah, you too, man.
Hi, welcome to Joel's channel. Make sure to subscribe. Hit the red subscribe button down over yonder. Subscribe to Joel's channel. He's actually a really cool guy. I met him randomly in Chicago, and he's actually really chill and down to earth. You'd like him. He cuts your hair. He's doing it in all 50 states. Okay. Anyway.
But I tell you what, it is pretty fucking hot. It's like, and the sun's come out now. I waited for the rain to go. We got 2 great haircuts in. I love meeting people. I love using products on their hair that actually makes them look handsome. Slick Gorilla always come in clutch with great products. What's up, bro?
Yo, we gotta dab each other's vlogs up, bro.
Yeah, what's up,
Heck
man?
yeah, can I say what's up to your audience?
What are you shooting for?
OnlyFans.
OnlyFans?
Yeah,
You make porn, yeah?
I wouldn't call it porn, it's more like art.
Hey, I'm like a traveling barber, so I basically cut hair in all 50 states of America.
Holy shit, that's what it is. That's dope. Hey man, shout out to everybody watching my boy Joel, supporting him on his grind. He gonna make it to the top. He gonna be bigger than anybody thought he was, bro. My name's Ricky. Hey, nice to meet you, dog.
Yeah, man. Let's do it now.
Let's do it now. A haircut right now? Yeah. I literally cannot, bro. I can't do that. I can't get a haircut like just right now, bro.
What's your YouTube channel so people can see?
It's Ricky. It's R-I-C-K-E-Y.
He's going on my TikTok as well.
I was going to your TikTok?
Yeah, I'm not as big as him, but we're trying to get there. Yeah. What's he nervous for? You don't think I can cut hair?
I do think you can.
I just did a black guy as well, don't stress. I was literally been doing them right there.
No, you're good, bro. I believe you. That's it.
So how old?
I'm 22, you?
22. You've got quite a big following in 2 years, haven't you?
Yeah, I've been grinding though, like every week, like just paranoid about how, like something new, what's new to do, stuff like that.
It's hard to do content, right?
Yeah, it really is.
What do you find the most difficult about doing content?
Convincing myself that people want to see it. But I feel like once you get like an audience, like no matter what you post, they'll just like it.
It's hard to grow though, right?
Yeah, no, it definitely is hard to go.
Like trying to break into a market is pretty tough.
Yeah, no, for real.
Well, I'm sweating my arse off here.
I'm sweating my dick off. My greatest adventure? Yeah, I mean, it really could be this one. I don't know.
What,
But
your YouTube journey?
I'm talking about just today, like running into you and getting a random haircut.
The unknown's kind of fun though, right?
No, it is a lot of fun. Like, I had no plans at all coming out here. Man, I had graduated high school and went to college, and once COVID hit, like I really just didn't want to like go back to college after it was over. So like when it first hit, me and him, we've always had a dream to do YouTube since high school.
So you're his partner, yeah, right hand man.
Yeah, heck yeah. So we go everywhere together, we do everything together. I just started a channel, bro, and I mean I don't try to censor myself, you know what I mean? Like I kind of just say,
Just be who you are.
what's really going in my head. Yeah, like I don't know. I guess I could get some heat for it here and there. Like I guess I'll probably like get some kind of heat for it in the future. Who knows? But like I don't know. I'd rather that than just pretend like I'm somebody I'm not and then let everybody down one day. You know what I mean? Is it clean? The hell clean? Of course it's clean. Yeah, I like this dude, bro. Where are you from?
I'm from London, man. So what's been your greatest challenge in life that you faced so far?
It's just battling with myself, bro. Like, oh, this is not good enough. This is good enough. Like just my self battle.
Why do you feel like your internal battle's so hard to beat sometimes?
I want to blow up, so I really want to like put the best possible workout for that week. But sometimes like you just edit it and you like, damn, I could do way better.
You're obviously 23, but let's say you had a young version of yourself in front of you. What advice would you give that young person?
Don't expect everybody to be like excited about like the you got going on.
Yeah,
It's like,
that's some realness right there.
You can't expect people to,
People don't care what's going on in your life.
Exactly.
It directly affects their life, right?
Well, yeah, that's how it,
Ready to see, man?
Yeah, let's see it. Let me see it. I'm excited.
You're excited? You should be excited, man.
Oh, okay. Oh, hell yeah. Yeah, no. Yeah. I
You expected worse and I outperformed.
way worse, bro. I ain't even gonna cap. Blessed.
Straight line up, boy. Thank you for trusting me, man.
Ah, hell yeah, bro. Thanks for the. This is fun. You're real, my guy. For sure. I'm gonna hit you up, dude.
3 haircuts. Boom.